wanted to quickly show you how convenient this vacuum is. I'm obsessed with it, but this is my laundry room and we installed the holder here, and all you do is slide it out and you can slide it back in, and then it automatically starts charging, which is amazing. And you can see all the attachments here, and that's what I love. This is like my first legitimate vacuum. This was so handy in just sucking all of it up in like the crevices and stuff, and this one was so key for my couch specifically. I just emptied my little vacuum canister, so let's see how much dust it collects. It's the best feeling. Dreame sent me this robo vacuum and I'm so excited because I've always wanted one. I live in a loft, so the high ceilings make it super dusty, and the concrete floors, just, you can tell when it's dusty on the floor. So I'm gonna open this today and I'm gonna tell you what I think. Okay, user manual. Ooh, this is the mop pad. So it's cool because you can also mop your floor if you attach this. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so sleek. It's a cute, minimal, sleek black. I love how minimal this is. So I'm currently testing out the Robo Vacuum and I'm running it on my rug to see if it's working, and it's running really well. This is a super thick wool vacuum, and it also isn't super loud. It's like a nice white noise in the background. So you can see this is how much it's already picked up. It's only run once around my entire apartment. So my apartment's not that big, but the rug does take up a lot of space as well. And these float all around my apartment because I sit on my rug and then I go do stuff around my place. But it's really easy, and you can also take the filter out to clean, which I really like. And then all you do is just pop it back in and then it's good to go. So I love this. If you've been thinking about getting a vacuum, I highly recommend checking out the Dreame vacuums, especially the L10 Pro, which is the robot vacuum, and then the white one that I have is the T10. They're both amazing. I just tried out the L10 Pro and it's so sleek and minimal. I have to say this design is the nicest, and it worked so well. So in my clip, I just showed you how much dust it's collected, but let me show you again. I ran this just once around my entire loft, and you can see how much it's already collected so far. This is the filter. I just got this new rug, so it pills and it lints so much. So it's always stuck on my clothes and it always like flies everywhere in my apartment. So I love that it collected all of this. Like, that's crazy. I have really high ceilings in my loft too, so it's really dusty, and that's why I'm so excited that I can just run this robot vacuum throughout the day, or schedule it for a few days through the week, so that when I vacuum myself, I usually vacuum every Sunday, and there's always so much dust that collects. So hopefully with this, it'll stay cleaner through the week without me having to do too much work. I absolutely love this. I've been using my T10, the white vacuum, so much. I've used it like every single day because I've been cleaning my entire apartment and decluttering. I also used it to clean up my car because I spilled soil all over the back seat, and that was really helpful. All of the extensions. It's also been really great because I can start getting like all of the ledges around my loft, and especially my big windows. They always collect so much dust. Thank you, Dreame, for asking me to review these items. I absolutely love them, and you'll see them in a ton of my vlogs. So if you check out my channel, I do a lot of just like cleaning and like mindful living, and I've loved them so far. So I highly recommend. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Please leave a like. I'm sure the links will be down below for both of the vacuums. Hope you enjoyed.